So let us do individual programs on these set. Java dot. You can write either util.star or you can write util.hash set because I am going to work on a program of a hash set. That's why you can write util.hash set or util.star. Fine. Util.star. Let me go like this. And then let me take a class. You can take some class. Let me take hash set demo. Hash set demo. Because you cannot take hash set. Hash set is a predefined class, isn't it? So let me take as hash set demo. Right. Now, let me put main method in that. And write in that. So, as I told earlier, the first statement is going to be importing util package. And this is all routine, nothing great. And inside main method or whichever method you take, the first step is going to be creating an object for hash set. Let me do that job. Hash set hs is equal to new hash set. That's it. And then there is a method called as add. Now the set is empty. I told you already a couple of classes before. Whenever you create an object, a constructor will be invoked. There is a class by name hash set. In that, a constructor is there and that is invoked. Means you are creating an empty hash set. Believe that you are creating an empty hash set here. Okay. Right. Just let me admit. Nobody else. 2, 3. One more missing, I think. Okay. So an empty hash set is created. Fine. But there is a method called as add. Very simple to remember, very easy to remember. hs dot add, a non-static method called as add. So you want to add some elements to the empty hash sets. Here what we have done, an empty hash set is created. Is it not? An empty hash set is created. Right. Now let us put some elements in that hash set by using a method called as add. Add is a non-static method. See, object dot add. Very simple method. If you want to add elements in any set or in any list, the method used is add. Please remember, the basic thing is add is the method if you want to add elements to any kind of set or any kind of list. And if you want to add elements to a map, you cannot use add method. Put is the method. That is the difference. See, I told you already. These are the examples, no, for hash set. Set. If you want to do a program on hash set or linked hash set or tree set, you have to use add method. If you want to add elements to linked list, vector or array list, there also same method add will work fine. But if you want to add elements to a hash map or hash table, then add method will not work. Put method will work. Please remember that is the difference. Simple methods, add, put. So here we use the method add. Let us add some elements. Let us say apple. An apple is added as an element. You can also take generic data type like a string or integer or something like that, but I am not specifying any type of data you can take here. Which is dot add. Let me take banana. Right. And then anybody else joined? Right. And then let me add grapes to this set. Which is dot add grapes. Like this you can add. Orange. Like this. So add is the method you understood. Now, there are some other methods which we have to discuss. So I want to see whatever is there in that hash set, whichever elements are added. I do one thing. I display hash set here itself. Let me check what is there in hash set. Is it really empty or not? You can do like this. System.out.println hs. Here it is empty, you know that. An empty hash set is created. Obviously, it doesn't consist of any element. But now if I display the same statement, now the set consists of apples, apple, banana, grapes, and orange. So that will be displayed here. Now, after that, what I do is I want to check whether the set is empty or not. Okay. For that, there is a method. I'll let you know. I display one message. Is the set empty? Okay. It returns a Boolean value actually. Let me put a question here. Is the set or is the hash set empty? Hash set empty. I'm just posing one question here. Is it really empty? So there is a method called as isEmpty. HS dot. How simple the methods are, you can see. IsEmpty is a method. So isEmpty is such a method that returns Boolean value, either true or false. Now in this case, it returns false because HS consists of some elements. What are the elements? Apple, banana, grapes, and orange. So it is not empty. Same step if I do earlier, what will happen? Empty. It will return empty. If I display here it is empty. Here it will display true, and here it will display false. Right. Next, there are so many methods. Let me put few methods. I want to remove orange from the list, from the set. HS dot remove. Remove or delete? I think remove. Remove is correct. Let me check. HS dot remove. You can write that element name. I want to remove orange like this. Okay. And then again, I want to check whether it is removed or not. You can display like this. Current status you will get. Then I want to check the size of the hash set. Let me check it. Size of hash set. Size of hashed set. How to find? Again, there is a method. Size. Size is the method. HS dot size. That's it. We'll get the size. And same method I will apply in the beginning also. Let us check. What is the size in the beginning? 0. In the beginning, it is 0. Now, how much? How many are there? 1 apple, 2 banana, 3 grapes. Orange is removed. No. So you'll get 3 here. That's it. Now I want to check, is there any orange in that set or not? How do you test? HS dot contains. Contains is the method. Contains orange or not, it is going to test. It returns a Boolean value. In this case, it will return false because there is no orange. So, does it contain? I will put a message like this. Is the set, does the set, otherwise, does the set, does the hash set consists of orange? I want to test. How to test? Contains is the method. If you want to find size, size is the method. If you want to check whether empty or not, isEmpty is the method. If you want to add elements, add is the method. Like that. It returns a Boolean value. Of course, orange is no more. It is removed. So it returns false. That's it. Now, let me. A few more methods are there. You can check. I do not remember, but very simple methods like this. Now, let me save the program. As set them. Dash set structure. I set them dot Java. Right. Let us compile this. Compiled successfully. Let us execute that. Got it? See, let me put the program here side by side. You can understand. Simple methods, simple techniques. No technique, in fact. Simple methods you need to remember. So first display statement, I said HS. It is empty. Yeah. No element is stored in HS. That is asset object. If you open HS object, asset object, that is HS, there is nothing in that initially. Then I'm trying to display a Boolean value. I mean, whether the set is empty or not. Is empty is the method to test whether it is empty or filled with some elements. Is empty is a method. So it returned obviously true. Yeah, it is empty. Is the asset empty? Yeah, true. Because none of the elements are included in the beginning. And then what is the size? HS dot size. It returns 0. Yeah, size is 0 initially. Then I started adding all the elements like apple, banana, grapes, orange. Then I displayed HS. If you open HS now, it consists of, but see the order. Which order I have taken, which order it has displayed. Here it is. I have taken first apple, but it has displayed orange. Got it? Grapes, apple means randomly displayed. Is it not? So that is one difference which you can find in HashSet. Other than that, there are some other differences also. We can check in my notes. I will send you. I did not remember properly. Uh, you can easily understand, but I can assure. So one thing which I can remember through this program is that the order is, I mean, it's a disorder which you are getting as an output. And then majority methods, similar same methods are present in other linked hash set and tree set also. Okay. And then is the hash set empty? No, false. Yes, because it is filled. In the beginning, it is true. Now it is false. And then again, I removed orange. After removal of orange, if I display HS, yeah, no more orange. And the size became 3. Yeah, only 3 elements are there. And then does it contain orange? No, false. That's it. Right? Simple application. Got it. Now I do a program on linked asset. Okay. Similar program I will do on linked asset. Let me copy up to here. So let me name it as linked asset. Then here also same story. First create object for linked hash set LHS. Linked hash set. An empty linked hash set is created, isn't it? Right. After that, if you want to add elements, I would have stored that also, previous program also. I deleted that, right? Okay, no issue. Let us add. LHS dot add elements to base. How to add? Let me add again apple, or let me take some other thing like mm, what to add? Hyderabad. Add Secunderabad. Secunderabad. LHS dot add Bangalore. Don't worry about the spelling, let it be. Dot add Chennai. It seems no city in AP. LHS dot add Delhi. Okay. Huh? Which city? అమరావతియా సిటీ చేస్తారా అప్పుడే మీరు మా ప్లేస్ గుంటూరు లెట్ మీ యాడ్ గుంటూరు గుంటూరు విజయవాడ అమరావతి వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దే ఆర్ ఆల్ క్లోజ్ టుగెదర్ నో ఇష్యూ రైట్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తున్నారా ఆయన అబ్బా అబ్బా గ్రేట్. ఇక్కడ అట్లాగే ఉంది పరిస్థితి కూకట్పల్లి. రైట్. లెట్ us hope good all the way for everybody. Right. Now, let me display system dot out dot println. Let me say LHS. Right. Same methods you can try again and again. If you want to refer more methods, please refer API. You can work on them also. If you can't get, you can ask me, I can try. Okay. LHS dot remove. Let me remove some of the. What is it? Inputla clear ga? Add ORR, you are saying? Add all. Okay. Add all, I never tried. Is it there really? Unda? So I will try. If it is possible, maybe like this. I never tried that. మరి ఎట్లా ఇవ్వాలి? కామా పెట్టుకుంటే ఇవ్వాలని? Okay, right. You should not miss Tirupati. Right. Vizag. Double quotes. I don't know. I'm trying blindly. I never tried this before. And then Guntur, Vijayawada. Right. So three cities I'm adding all at a time, and then I'm removing one from the list. Let me remove Secunderabad from the list. Already Hyderabad is done, right? So I can give position also, I believe, but we don't know the position. That's why let me give city name itself. Secunderabad, right? No. Right. Then again you can display. Sorry, add button. Sorry. Just a minute. ఏమంటావు? యాడ్ ఆల్ వర్క్ కాదా? వేరే పద్ధతి ఉందా? స్లోగా వినపడుతుంది వాయిస్ నీది. ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ హియర్. ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఇందులో ఏమన్నా సౌండ్ చేంజ్ చేయాలా? ఏమన్నా ఆడియో స్లోగా ఉంది ఎందుకన్నా మరి. ఓకే, యాడ్ ఆల్ వర్క్ ఓన్ గట్రా చెప్తున్నావా ఇది? ఎందుకు నెట్లో కొడితే వస్తుందిగా. లెట్ మీ ట్రై నెట్. Add all method. Collection. Set add all method is in Java with examples. Add all. You can check like this, simple methods only. If any doubt is there, you can check. Yeah, Boolean, add all, collection C. Yeah, you have to take something like this. They have given one program, you can try like this. You can try small things only, you can try like this. They have given separately add. And how they have taken add all, let me test. Add only they have given. Where is add all? They have not worked on add all. Here they have added. std1 dot std2. So std2, that's it. So in st2 object, they have taken, right, couple of things, add hello and world. So they are going to add st2 to st1 collection, right? One collection is added to another collection, right? So you can try these things. I did not remember. I never tried this before, but very few methods I know, that which I know I am explaining. Few others are also very simple methods. You can try, because there will be a number of methods if you open API. Okay, you just Google it out. Like don't try like this, which in whichever way I tried in Google, but you try API. That is far better. I will show you. For some of you, I think you may not know this. Let me show you the correct way of doing things, searching things. So you can try something like this, like Java API on what is that? We are doing on what is it? Array list, huh? Linked asset, sorry, linked asset. Yeah, Java API on linked asset methods. అనపైన పర్లేదు linked asset అంటే చాలు. First option, first option కాదు ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చిందో చూద్దాం. Yeah, this one. You have to get like this Oracle Help Center, linked asset. This is the API actually. Vendor copy. See how much notes they have given. Books లో కూడా ఇంత ఎవరు అంత ఇస్తారు ఇందులో. Lot of information. ఇవన్నీ మీరు ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. ఎక్కువ లేవులే లక్కీగా. చూడండి యాడ్ క్లియర్ కూడా ఉంది. మొత్తం క్లియర్ చేయాలంటే యూ కెన్ ట్రై విత్ క్లియర్. క్లోన్ contains, I never tried clone. You can try contains, is empty, iterator I tried but not on set. I tried on list, I think. Remove size, yeah, hash code equals remove all is also there. I tried only remove, but remove all is also there. You can try అది క్లిక్ చేయండి, దాని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది మీకు. రిమూవ్ ఆల్ అనగానే ఎస్ ఇంత ఉంది మళ్ళీ దానికి స్టోరీ చూసారా. రిమూవ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ వాడాడు. లైక్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ ట్రై. So you can try like this. This is the best notes available. Okay, right. So whichever I know perfectly, let me do that. This is not the way anyways. You can try in that way. You can add one collection to another collection by add all method. And then remove. I'm removing just once. And then let me again display LHS. సెట్స్ లో కొన్ని ఈజీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇస్తాను నేను. లిస్ట్ లో మాత్రం కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా ఇస్తాను, కొంచెం లాజిక్ ఉండే ఇస్తాను. LHS because I never worked any critical programs on sets, but on lists I worked few programs. Right. అండ్ ఇందాక ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేసి కూడా చేసేయచ్చు మీరు. ఇందాక ఏవి కంటైన్స్ అవన్నీ మీరు ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ట్రయింగ్. ఒకసారి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసా కాబట్టి మీరు ట్రై చేయొచ్చు అవన్నీ కూడా. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ లీవింగ్ అలోన్. లింక్డ్ హ్యాస్ ఇట్. అవుట్పుట్ ఎట్లా డిఫరెంట్గా వస్తుందో చూద్దాం. సేమ్ ఆర్డర్ వస్తుందా, ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ వస్తుందా, ర్యాండమ్ వస్తుందా. ఇందాక ర్యాండమ్ అయిపోయింది ఆల్రెడీ. ఇప్పుడు ఇది చూద్దాం ఎట్లా వస్తుంది. యా, సేమ్ ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చింది చూసారా. సేమ్ నేను ఎలా ఇచ్చానో అదే ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చింది. రైట్. ఎంట్రీలో ఏం అడగరు, కాకపోతే వేరే ఉన్నాయి కొన్ని డిఫరెన్సెస్. దీనికి సంబంధించి అది ఒక్కసారి నోట్స్ చూడండి, నాకు గుర్తులేదు, ఒకసారి చూద్దాం అది. అండ్ దెన్ యా, ఇట్స్ వర్కింగ్ ఫైన్. ప్రీసెట్ కూడా ఒకటి చేస్తే విల్ ఫాస్ట్లీ మూవ్ టు లిస్ట్ సమ్ టిపికల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఐ విల్ గివ్. లెట్ మీ గో విత్ preset. Preset done. To create object for preset. An empty preset is created. Right. We have added some elements to preset. Fine. You can also add integers or decimal values, anything. Right. Now, I want to test, is it empty? Or let me display first of all. System.out.println preset. Yes. Morris time. I will change. You can give any name as an object. Right. And now let me system dot out dot println. Let me test, is it empty or not? So is it empty? Is the tree set empty? Same method. Is empty is the method. Ts dot is e cap, like this. It will return false because some elements are there in that tree set. It is no more empty. And if you want to clear all the elements, you can try with clear also. If you want to remove, just remove. Remove. First, I will remove one element, then I will clear. Remove Chennai. Okay. And then you can check the status. And then size. If you want to find size, you can try with size also. Size of preset. PS dot size. Same methods. Majority cases, similar methods will be there. ఒకటి రెండు మారచ్చు. మీరు ఏ పేజ్ చూసినా అర్థమైపోతే నా నోట్స్ చూసినా నోట్స్ లో కూడా ఇచ్చాను లేదా నాకు గుర్తులేదు, చూడాలి ఒకసారి. రైట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టేటస్. నౌ ఇందాక ఏదో అన్నాను, క్లియర్ ఆల్. ఐ వాంట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ ఇన్ దిస్, ఆల్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్. టిఎస్ డాట్ క్లియర్, ఆల్ క్లియర్ అయిపోతాయి. And then you can see the status. And then let me close it. Reset it. Reset it. లోపల ఒక డెమో ఇవ్వాలి. లోపల ఇవ్వం కదా, సారీ, రీసెట్ ఏమంటారు. రైట్. Let me run it. ఓ మిస్టేక్స్. క్లియర్ పని చేయట్లేదా? వై? టిఎస్ డాట్ క్లియర్ ఇవ్వలేదా నేను? టిఎస్ డాట్ క్లియర్ ఇచ్చాను కదా, బట్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ వర్కింగ్? ఓకే ఓకే, డిస్ప్లే సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ డాట్ ప్రింట్ లోపల ఎట్లా ఇస్తా నేను? సారీ ఫర్ దాట్. బికాస్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ నాట్? సారీ. టిఎస్ డాట్ క్లియర్, దట్స్ ఇట్. రిమూవ్ క్లియర్ ఎస్ఓపిఎల్ లోపల ఇవ్వం కదా. రైట్. That is okay. Some deprecated versions may be there. Yeah, got it fine. Finally, it is empty after clearing all the elements. And size is 4 before clearance. 1, 2, 3. 1 is removed, Chennai, right? So 4 is the size. Yeah, it's working. And before removing elements, yeah, it is not empty, false. Yes, it's working. Let us quickly move to lists. But see the order. See the order. I think we get alphabetical order. Yes. Bangalore, B first. G next. H. Yes. Yes. Alphabetical order. These small points you can remember. Now let me go with list type of program. So which list we are dealing with? Vector on the what else are there? Vector is there, linked list is there, array list is there. Let me work a program on linked list. So let me take linked list first. Same order this one. So import Java. And one more important thing I forgot telling you. Can you allow duplicate elements? You take anything. Tree set తీసుకోండి, లేకపోతే you can take hash set. Let me take hash set otherwise. Is duplicate elements allowed? Let me check that, whether it is allowed or not. Yeah, here it is. So already Apple is there. Can I try Apple one more time? Here I will try Apple, adding Apple one more time. add apple. Same spelling. మళ్ళీ మీరు క్యాప్ పెట్టారంటే అది వేరేగా తీసుకుంటుంది. సేమ్ అట్లాగే ఇవ్వాలి కదా. It will accept, but only one apple will be considered. Program లో ఎర్రర్ ఏం చూపించదు, but it will show, sorry, spelling mistake, yeah. But it will display apple only one time. రెండు సార్లు ఇచ్చాను చూడండి, యాపిల్ యాపిల్, బట్ యాపిల్ ఒక్కసారే వస్తుంది. లెట్ మీ చెక్. డిస్ప్లే కూడా చేయాలి కదా. ఐ విల్ డిస్ప్లే ఇట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే టు డిస్ప్లే. Right after that, again, already one apple is there. Without removing that, again I am adding one more apple, but it will show only one. It will consider only one apple. Duplicate is not allowed. I told you, right? It's an entry question. Duplicates are not allowed in a set. None of the sets allows duplicate values. Simply to say. See, you got apple only one time. No second apple occurring. రెండు సార్లు ఇచ్చినా కానీ ఒకసారి ఇస్తుంది. Means duplicates are not allowed in a set. Any set are not. Python lo kuda same thing. Duplicates are not allowed in a set. In any set. In fact, set is an interface, but has set is a class. So that's it. Now, let us work on list. Import Java dot, sorry, what is it? Util dot star. Why I am taking util? Because linked list is a predefined class present in util package. I want to enter something from keyboard in this program. I have to import java dot io dot star. Right. Now let me take some class name. Class linked list ll demo. Simple ll demo. Right. Let me take public static void main. Open bracket. JS throws IO exception or exception. All right. Now inside that, you know that lengthy statement you need to write. Right. So what is that length? Before, yeah, I will write here itself. What is that lengthy statement? Buffered reader br is equal to new buffered reader within bracket new input screen reader within bracket system dot in. Right. And as I told earlier, first statement should be this. No, you can add as a first statement or second also, no issue actually. But here I will add. Let me add here itself. What is that? Create object for linked list. You are dealing with linked list. No. And what is linked list? Linked list is a collection class. In which package it is present? Util package. And buffered reader is a predefined class. Input stream reader is also a predefined class. And these couple of classes are present in IO package. And whenever you import IO package, you cannot deal with those exceptions, right? So don't try with a try and catch. Instead of that, use the class throws. That's it. Linked list LL is equal to new linked list routine step. So constructor is invisible. Now you can add some elements. What is the method? Add is the method in list also. So let us add some countries names. Let me add US. LL dot add. Let me add UK. LL dot add Russia. LL dot add India. Let me add LL dot Pakistan. Oh, sorry. Let me add China. Let me add one more. France. So these are the list of countries which I added to the linked list. Okay. Now let me display. Tell them I have taken buffer reader for choice. I want to take switch case. I never explained switch case. I think. Let me go with one kind of program separately. So let me display LL, whatever is there in the linked list object will be displayed fine. And then what I do is I want to uh, add some elements by taking a choice, or I want to remove some elements by taking a choice, or I want to search an element by taking a choice. That's why let me take a variable string element, string type of element to add some elements to the list later on. And I want to know the position also. Int pos and choice by default is 0. So let me take a while loop. Let me draw a while loop. Inside while loop, I will go with the switch case. I plan like that. It's a perfect combination. While choice is, let me take less than 4. While choice is less than 4, what I do is, let me display the list of operations. If I say the operation as system dot out dot println, let me put it at the top. So system dot out dot print. So here what I do is I'm giving some information here. Like if you type 1, what will happen? Insert element. Insert element. If you want to add elements further from keyboard, that is the option I'm giving here for you. And if I go with second option, let me take up here. Oh, right. Second option. Option number 2. I can remove also. Remove. Okay. Remove element. I want to remove some of the countries from the list. And then I can search also. Or I can again change. Search change. Change as the change element. If I type 3, it is going to happen. That's it. And if you type any other number, you know what is going to happen. You have to come out of the switch case. Any number. But let me mention, మీకు అర్థం కావడం కోసం I will mention the fourth option is going to be exit. Actually, in fact, you type any other number, it will be exit. But fourth option, I'm giving exit. Not really required, but I am giving that also. Now, so from keyboard, you have to enter your choice. So on the screen, you have to get a message. System dot out dot println, enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay, right. So immediately looking at this message and looking the previous statements, you opt some message, is it not? So let me opt option number 1. I want to add one more element. Okay, so let me write switch case తీసుకుందాం అనుకున్నాం కదా. Before that, I need to enter no choice. Choice is equal to చెప్పండి. What is choice? Initially it is 0. Now I'm going to enter some choice from keyboard. So parsing is required now. Integer dot parse int within bracket br dot read line. We have done this before. accepting data from keyboard. Right. So I enter some number. I may enter 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. If I enter 1 is taken as a string, and it is, but I mean, read line method will take that 1 as a string, because read line always takes strings, right? And that 1 will be converted into integer and kept inside choice variable, right? That is the logic. Now let me go with an expression. Switch is a keyword. Generally, switch case is used for selective statements for menu-driven programs. Menu-driven means, see, this is a menu file. You can select. I can select any of these options. I can select edit option. And again, sub options, I can select any of these options, right? So generally, you can design a pull-down menu also like this. Okay, using advanced Java concepts, you can design notepad like this by using switch case. Switch case is useful in writing menu-driven programs. That's why we use that word menu-driven. So choice is the expression. So inside switch, you write some expression. Expression means anything. You can type any value also, even literal also, like 1, integer literal 1 I type. So choice will be 1, If I type 1, 1 will reach choice, and expression value will be 1. So that case 1 will be executed. Is it not? Right. Let me put case 1. If I type 1, what will happen? 1 is the option for inserting element. So that's why let me insert some elements. Case 1 colon, that is the syntax, Switch case, these are all keywords as well. So from keyboard, I need to type some message. Enter element. 1 for enter element, is it not? Enter an element. Right. We can enter one of the elements from keyboard. How to enter element? From keyboard you are entering, no. Let me take element variable. Already it is declared earlier. It is string type. Okay. So let me enter, let us suppose Germany. If I enter East Germany or West Germany, or if I enter Japan, Japan already unda. Okay. Or otherwise, yeah, let me type some element from keyboard. At runtime, we will enter. Don't worry. Wait. Parsing is not required, no, because if you enter Netherlands, Netherlands itself is a string. You need not convert that into integer. Okay. So read line can take that Netherlands and put in element. కానీ ఎక్కడ ఎంటర్ చేయాలి అది పాయింట్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ సో వేర్ టు ఎంటర్ పొజిషన్ is required because already you are having few countries listed like US in 0 position, UK in 1st position, Russia in 2nd, India at 3rd, Pakistan at 4, 5 is China. Like that I have given, is it not? So in which location I need to give? So let me prefer 0 US first position లో రావాలి నాకు ఇప్పుడు యాడ్ చేసేది or 0 1 2 third position లో రావాలి. Third position I want to put Australia. Okay. So enter the position. Enter the position. Enter the position. Right. So let me take pass. Already I have declared one variable called as pass. Pass is equal to same step integer dot parseInt. All this you have to take. No, let me copy that slide. Right. Right. Now here ll dot add. So add is a parameter. Same in the ముందు add అనే method use చేసాం. Same method I am going to use, but it is a parameterized in this case. That you can also option is there. You can use add. You can invoke add method which is non-parameterized, or with parameters also you can invoke. Pass element. Just 1 second. I'm coming back. Just to give me 1 minute. Let me add. Yeah, yes, please. Uh-huh. So send recording. That sure I will do. Did she try? Because I may be in the session. She tried, huh? Uh-huh. Okay, no, then it is okay. That's why to be on safe side, I'm recording on a regular basis. Yeah, 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 sure, sure. Even if even one of you can send a message, sure, I will do that. Even if I forget sometimes, because I may not remember whoever is going to attend sometimes, right? So it's a parameterized method. I am passing couple of arguments, pass and element. You need not do anything. Add method will take care of all those things. It will send the pass. Pass. I am confirming with third position. I want to add some country, Australia. Right after Russia, I want to add 0 US, 1 UK, 2 Russia, 3 Australia, like that. And the element is Australia, which I'm going to enter from keyboard. You know that? Yeah, here it is. I'm going to enter from keyboard and its position is 3. I'm going to pass from keyboard again. That's it. Right. And what about option number 2? Let me give case 2. Case 2. Uh, let me, oh, sorry. Case 2. I have to again give system.out.print and all these things. Remove element. Okay. So remove element. Break మర్చిపోయాను ఇక్కడ రాయటం. I have to break, no? Generally switch case you have to add break. If you don't add break, for example, if I take a second case, if I take the choice as 2, unnecessarily, if I don't give break here, if I take 1, for example, okay, fine, I have taken 1. Unnecessarily, even if 1 is wrong, still, I mean, after 1, even if 2 is not given, see, for example, I have given 1 here. From keyboard, I have given 1. Choice will be 1. So 1 will be executed fine. But if break is not given, what will happen? You know, it will move to the second case also unnecessarily. That is a problem. So if I give break, break is one of the biggest jumping instructions. It will come out of the switch case, not out of while loop. Please remember, not out of while, only out of switch case. This loop, it will come out of soon after executing case 1, it will come out of switch case. That is much required. No, if I don't give break unnecessarily, it will execute second case also. Inside second case also, if I miss break, unnecessarily third case will be also executed. And in default is the last executable statement. And if I don't give in case 3 also, the break, if I don't give, default statement will be also executed like that. So break is mandatory in all these cases. Case 2, let me go with case 2 this time. So case 2, what is the mention for case 2? So I want to remove an element. So which positioned element I want to remove? That is much concerned, right? So let me add. So let me copy system.out.print. Enter the position. Enter the position. Because so many elements are there in so many positions, respective positions. So enter position is the statement. You just mention the position, that element will be removed. That's it. So from keyboard, you have to type the position. No, pass is equal to same step, integer dot, all this you need to give. Let us give that statement. And then how to remove? Very simple. Remove is the method. We have done that in previous programs. Sets లో చేసాం కానీ ఇక్కడ కొంచెం ఎఫెక్టివ్ గా చేస్తుంది అంతే. LL డాట్ వాటికి కూడా మీరు ఇట్లా ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ ట్రై లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో. దట్స్ వై ఇన్ సెట్స్ లో ఇగ్నోర్ చేశాను ఫస్ట్ కష్టమైన ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎందుకని సెట్స్ ఈజీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇచ్చాను. లిస్ట్ లో అట్లాంటివన్నీ చేస్తాం. LL డాట్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ రిమూవ్. సేమ్ మెథడ్స్ బట్ ఇన్ అ డిఫరెంట్ స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ డూయింగ్. దట్స్ ఇట్. So remove is the method. It's a parameterized method. Which argument you want to pass? Position. That's it. Right. And then don't forget giving break. Then case 3. Now, in case 3, what is required? Enter new element. Again, because I want to add some new element, because your choice is change element. So I want to remove Pakistan from the set, from the list. And I want to add Japan in place of Pakistan. How to add that? That we will do here. These three. So let us copy this statement. Enter new element. Which position we will ask? Enter new position. Let the system ask me which position. So I'm going to type some new element like Japan from keyboard. It will be taken by element variable. Variable by name element. We'll take that. So br dot read line, because it is a string. Right. And then position is required. No. Which position? Same step you need to copy. Which position you want to add that element? That is much required. Not only element, but position is required. Just matter of common sense. See, if I'm adding some, if I'm just entering an element from keyboard. So which position is required? Element is required, position is required. If I want to, what is the third operation? Change the element. Okay, already some element is there. In that place, I'm adding some other element. There also element is required and position is also required. Here, let me add enter element. Sorry, position. So I need enter element, new element. Enter new position, new element. Element. So I'm entering element. Ikkada element kavali, position kavali. Ikkada element first case lo kuda element kavali, position kavali. Endukani? Because you are entering a new element in some position. Ikkada you are entering new element for sure, but already ఏ పొజిషన్ లో అయితే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉందో దాని ప్లేస్ లో వస్తుంది. రీప్లేసింగ్, చేంజింగ్. ఓకే, సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్. దట్స్ వై. Now, what is the method? Set. Set is the method. Add చేయాలంటే add, remove చేయాలంటే remove. If you want to change, set is the method. Means replacing. For replacing, set is the method. ఇది కూడా add లాంటిదే. You can pass and element as arguments. That's it. Done. Let us put break. And then default statement. Default is a keyword as well. Same C style of doing, C++ only. So default is return, carries return. And a total very big jumping instruction. You come out of this while as well. And 1, 2, 3 కాకుండా ఇంక ఏ నెంబర్ టైప్ చేసినా కానీ, if you type 1, this will happen and break, come out of that. If you type case 2, this will happen and come out of the switch case. If you type case 3, this code will happen, will occur and come out of the switch case. But if you type 4 or 5 or 6 or any other number, or -1, -2, any number other than 1, 2, 3, what is going to happen? Default statement means what? Carries return, come out of while loop also totally. Okay, that's how it will be executed. And just before, this is switch case closing. Don't forget, I started switch case here. See, here I started switch case. So I need to close switch case. Once you come out, see, whenever you type 1, after that you come out of switch case. Whenever you type 2, again you come out of switch case, because break is there no every time. If I don't give break, unnecessarily next case will be also executed, right? So if I type go with 3, after executing these statements, you come out of switch case. Then I need to display the status of list. How to display the status? Very simple. How to display the status? See, you can say the status as LL. Linked list లోపల ఏ ఉన్నాయి update అయిన తర్వాత. Every time you come to know the status. Okay. Then you can close while loop. You can close main method and you can close class. చూడండి. The first close is this close is for switch case. This close is for while loop. This close while ki switch ki మధ్య status. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతిసారి అప్డేట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు స్టేటస్ అప్డేట్ అవ్వాలి కదా, అందుకని. And one for main method, one for class. And now you can save the program. LL demo. Yes. LL demo dot Java. Right. Let us run this. Oh, mistake. Raise తప్పించామా ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాను తప్పు throws IO exception linked list. Oh, linked list కరెక్టే ఉంది కదా LL న్యూ linked list సెమికాలన్ ఏమన్నా మిస్ అయ్యామా అన్ని యాడ్ చేసాం ఫైన్ వైల్ లూప్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది స్విచ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాము మిస్టేక్ ఇక్కడ ఇస్తుందని ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చాము ఇల్లీగల్ స్టార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్రేస్ చూపిస్తుంది ఎన్ని క్లోజింగ్స్ అయినాయి కరెక్టే కదా క్లోజింగ్స్ స్విచ్ దగ్గర బ్రేస్ పెట్టలేదా యా ఐ కెప్ట్ కరెక్టే ఉంది కదా వైల్ ఓపెనింగ్ పైన 2 ఓపెనింగ్స్ 3 ఓపెనింగ్ వైల్ 4 ఓపెనింగ్ స్విచ్ 4 ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఒక క్లోజింగ్ 2 క్లోజింగ్లు 3 4 సరిపోయింది కదా అక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది సెమికాలన్ రిటర్న్ స్టేట్మెంట్ చూసారా సెమికాలన్ ఇస్ మిస్సింగ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పదు అది మెషిన్ వోంట్ టెల్ యూ దాన్ని ఏదో రిలేట్ చేసుకుని ఎక్కడికో తీసుకెళ్తుంది మనం బేస్లు చూస్తున్నాం అది వేరే చూస్తుంది ఎస్ చూడండి హౌ యూ గాట్ దిస్ సో ఇట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ క్లియర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కరెంట్ స్టేటస్ ఇస్తుంది ఎందుకు ఇస్తుంది నేను ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చుంటాను చూద్దాం ఆగండి ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చుంటాను లెట్ మీ గో టు ద టాప్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ యూ కెన్ సీ now read the program. An empty linked list is created and linked list is a predefined class. It is present in util package and then you know the statement buffer PR and all that. You added all the elements. Yeah, here it is. You are displaying current status. ఏమున్నాయి అందులో US, UK, Russia, India, Pakistan, China and France. Yeah, it is there. You can see. ఉన్నాయా యా యుఎస్ సేమ్ ఆర్డర్ చూడండి యుఎస్ యూకే రష్యా ఇండియా పాకిస్తాన్ చైనా ఫ్రాన్స్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ సమ్ ఆప్షన్స్ టు యూ టు రీడ్ ఇన్సర్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ 1 అంటే 2 మీన్స్ రిమూవ్ 3 మీన్స్ చేంజ్ 4 మీన్స్ ఎగ్జిట్ 4 కాదు ఎనీ అదర్ నెంబర్ ఓకే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి యూ రీడ్ ద వైల్ లూప్ ట్రూ చాయిస్ ఈజ్ 0 no it became true you are inside all the options are displayed right and it is asking to enter some choice yes enter your choice let me go with option number 1 immediately it is asking enter an element because what is the expression value I typed 1 choice is 1 switch 1 case 1 will be executed what is there in case 1 enter an element yeah I entered some element let me enter what is our thought let me enter Canada otherwise I entered Canada. Enter the position, 4th position, 3rd position. Means right after Russia. 0 is USA. 2 is UK. 3 is Russia. 0 is US. 1 is UK. 2 is Russia. 3rd position, I want to enter Canada. So 3 I have given. Oh, got 0 US, UK 1, Russia 2. Got it? It worked fine or not? ఎట్లా డిస్ప్లే ఇచ్చింది మళ్ళా బికాస్ ఇన్సైడ్ వైల్ లూప్ యు ఆర్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ బ్రేక్ ఇచ్చాం ఇక్కడ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ యు ఆర్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఓన్లీ స్విచ్ కేస్ యు ఆర్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ బట్ నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ వైల్ అందుకని బిఫోర్ ఎండింగ్ ద వైల్ లూప్ ఏదో ఇచ్చాను చూడండి అక్కడ బిఫోర్ ఎండింగ్ వైల్ లూప్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఎండింగ్ ఆఫ్ వైల్ బిఫోర్ ఎండింగ్ యు డిస్ప్లేడ్ ద కరెంట్ స్టేటస్ వేర్ కెనడా జాయిన్డ్ in the 3rd position and then still you are inside while don't get away because still you previously you typed 1 and choice is 0 again true again you'll get all this information one more time you'll get this information I meant to say up to here ఇంకోసారి వచ్చిందా లేదా చూడండి yes enter your choice again it is asking you now I go with option number 2 that is I want to remove I want to remove Pakistan from the list. Yeah, it is asking position. Reasonably good. So case 2 is executed because my choice is 2 and case 2 is executed. Right inside case 2, what is given? Enter position. And where is Pakistan? Let me trace it out. US is 0, UK is 1, 2 is Russia, 3 is Canada. Don't forget, you added Canada also. Yeah, ikkade unchandi. The clarity కోసం. Right in the output, it is there. 0 is US, 1 is UK, 2, 3, 4, 5 is Pakistan. So let me add the position as 5. Is it not? Let me add 5. Right here we are. So let me add 5. Yes. Got it? Simple job. Only one argument. Pass. Pass is 5. Remove is the method. It will remove Pakistan, 5th position element, whichever is given. Yeah, it is no more available. Pakistan is removed from the list. Now, let me go with option number 3. My choice is 3. So expression value is 3. Choice 3. Switch 3. Case 3 will be executed. Case 3 should ask me enter new element. Okay, let me read that new element. I want to add enter new element. Let me add Japan. Enter position where I want to add. In place of China, I want to add Japan. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5th position. Right. Got it? You got Japan in place of China? Yes. If you want again, you can try 1, 2, 3 n number of times. But I am comfortable with 3 options. I want to quit. You can try 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. You came out of the while loop as well. Because 9 ayindi kada. 9 means carriage return. You are coming out of while loop. That's it. Any doubts? Even if you type 4 or 5, you'll get out of that. Because I have given less than 4. Don't forget. ఇక్కడే పని చేయటం ఆపేస్తుంది. లెస్ దాన్ 4 అయితేనే లోపలికి. 4 అయినప్పుడు బయటికి ఎక్కడి నుంచే బయటికి. ఇంకా లోపలికి వెళ్ళే సమస్య కూడా ఉండదు. అంతే కదా. So any doubts in this program, let me know. Tomorrow we will do remaining 2 in list. Stack queue కూడా అన్నారు కదా, అవి కూడా చూస్తాను. అవి కూడా ఒకటి చాలు లైన్ చేసేది ఒకసారి చేయాలి నేను కూడా. స్టాక్ క్యూ రిమైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ I can explain, but we have done it for today. So any doubts, let me know. We'll close otherwise for today.